So this is the Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom with Veranda on the Disney Wonder. So if you ever want to see what this looks like, we're going to Alaska. I'm going to show you the full room tour, so come with me. We're going to just start off with the bed area. So this room, by the way, was hosted by Disney Cruise Line and Undercover Tourist, and get discounted bookings in the link below. But check this out. So you have a bed, which is, I think, equivalent of a queen size bed. But what I do like is on the sides here, you have the little lamp, you have little places to hold your phone, little drawers. So there is space to hold stuff if you can. And look at the details on this lamp, and it's got the little Mickeys here too. I like that in the canvas material. Then over here, just some little, it shows Castaway Key, which is really not where we're going. That's in the Bahamas. This ship does go around to different places. Over here too, before I show you this bit, we've got more drawers. So we're going to be filling these filled with our stuff that we need. I'm going to focus down on these drawers, just kind of show you. I like the details of it. Hair dryer is in here already. And more space down here. So there's lots of little drawers here, but there will be more storage in another spot as well. The fridge, which isn't huge, just a super mini bar type fridge. Here too, we have a bed, that, and then you can pull it down into a bed. So it is just gonna be a single bed. Then we have the vanity over here. Hello, a television. Extra little lights with some little Disney, little hidden Mickeys, I suppose, and not so hidden. And let me show you outside real quick. So right now we're in Vancouver, but you can see, I like it. I mean, it feels really spacious. You get some really nice views. I mean, Vancouver's stunning already by itself. We haven't left for Alaska yet. We did see a seaplane take off earlier. I'm obsessed with this floating gas station. Like, I cannot wait to be out here, about to go to look outside to see Alaska, a glacier. So because it's a family one, you have a split bathroom. So you're gonna have one with a shower and one with the toilet in it. So I'll show you the shower bit. So this is actually pretty big compared to, I feel like, some of the other ones you see. There's a charger in there. Like, I've definitely been in cruise ships where it was not this big. Tissue, everything. So, and you close the door in there and make it private. Then over here, toilet, and then space to hold some of your toiletries and another vanity, all locked in. And then they also have some charger for your shavers, and then blow dries too. And then really important, we do have a lot more storage space here. And of course, a safe and a closet. Important things, you got some safety jackets up here, lots of hanger space. So 2 different sides. Now that the cruise is underway, I just wanted to show you a big selling point for getting a veranda, because this is outside your room. Like, look how amazing this is. This is literally Alaska, right outside of our room.
Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer. Thanks again to Undercover Tourist and Disney Cruise Line for having me, and check out these videos to plan your next trip.